way you look at me, the way you touch me, the fire in your eyes makes me sweat, makes me shiver inside. There's nothing I can do about it, 'cause nothing seems so true when I'm beside you. Am I dreaming of Venus? Just hold my hand, naked, perfect, so beautiful.
Project na further stabilize na ma-maintain namin na walang anti-aging. Kasi yung anti-aging, yun yung nagpapas ng crimes, like hold up, ng snatching. And then we had this additional security force. We've hired some additional security force to man the area. And then we make sure na yung patrolling around the area is 24 hours, 7 days a week.
Lahat ng mga itong area na laging mayroong incident na gano'n, yun ang kinoconcentrate namin, iniikutan namin ang mobile. Minsan nilalagay talaga kami ng tao para mag-stay doon, para i-observe yung kung gaano katotoo yung nangyayari. Kasi tayo naman, bumili tayo ng mga mobile. Actually, we have tatlong mobile patrol. Then, meron tayong tricycle. Tatlong tricycle para sa mga yung dating food patrol. Tapos meron din tayong pre-provide na 12 na motorcycle unit, yung malalaki big bike, para mamobilize yung area. Tuloy-tuloy yung ikot niyan. Then we have our traffic enforcers, traffic enforcers, but once mayroong nangyaring crime, nagre-respond sila. Like parang auxiliary force kami. So, ang ginagawa namin is more on prevention of the crime than solution. Kasi pag sinabing